yung cost-benefit analysis ngayon, nakikinabang ba tayo? O hindi tayo nakikinabang? Ano yung mas matimbang, di ba? I suppose if they were paying more taxes, then maybe nakikinabang tayo. But if they're not paying any taxes, or they're paying too little, then maybe dehado tayo. So I proposed also to tax them. Franchise tax, income tax, holding taxes, so on and so forth.
Ngayon may mga exemptions sila.
Hindi naman sila exempted. Theoretically, they should be paying taxes. But apparently, they're not.
So may proposed bill kayo?
Meron tayong proposed bill.
Yan din. Nagre-resort din siya sa job loss dito sa mga Pilipino. Because Filipinos can easily learn how to speak Chinese, diba?
I don't think it's so much job losses. I think there are other social issues. Like the prostitution, the crime, kidnapping, and let's say this area, it raises real estate prices to the detriment of Filipinos. So masyado tumataas sa real estate price dito in this area, or in some areas where they're located, na nagiging mahal para sa mga Pilipino, umupa doon o bumili ng property doon. So yan ang tinitignan natin. Tinitimbang natin lahat.